How to speed up your Windows 10 PC. First things first, on your keyboard you must press Windows R. Then you should see a pop-up like this pop up. Then in there type %temp %, and then hit OK or enter. You should see a Explorer window pop up with all of these random files. Make sure to click Ctrl A on your keyboard to select them all. Then you can right click them and go ahead and delete all of these files because these files are temporary. If it asks you that these files cannot be deleted, make sure to skip all files which cannot be deleted. Now the second way is to right click this PC, then go to Properties. Then you should scroll down until you see Advanced System Settings. Now under the Performance tab, make sure to click Settings. Then go to the Advanced tab. Once you reach the Advanced tab, go ahead under this Visual Memory and click Change. Make sure to disable Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers. Now enable Custom Size and make sure to enter the value here. In my case, I have 8 gigs of RAM, so I should probably put 4 gigs here. Then click Set and then OK. It will ask you to reset your computer to apply all the changes, so just make sure to do that. And that'll be about that. Until next time, peace.